Today, I'll show you how to make this cute headband with little rhinestone bows. I used 2 different tones of green for the bows, but feel free to use whatever color you'd like. So here's what you're going to learn in this step-by-step tutorial. First, I will teach you how to attach the rhinestone cup chain onto the headband. And then I'll show you how to use wire and rhinestones to add simple bow decorations to it. And finally, I'll give you a tip on how to make sure the decorations are secured. Here's what materials are needed to make this headband. Start by cutting all the pieces needed from the cup chain. You'll need 2 pieces of chain with 10 rhinestone cups. Then cut off 10 pieces of chain with 7 rhinestone cups. These pieces are needed to cover the headband in between each bow decoration. Here's how long the cup pieces of chain are in case you are using a different size cup chain. Then cut about 1 meter of wire. Take one end of the wire and wrap it around the headband base. Place one of the 2 pieces of chain with 10 rhinestone cups onto the headband. And start wrapping the wire between the rhinestone cups. Continue until you reach the other end of the chain. Now take one of the 6mm clear rhinestones and thread the wire through 2 of the holes at the back of the stone. Place the stone on the headband and wrap the wire around the band. Then pass the wire through the holes a second time to secure the rhinestone onto the headband. Now take a light green teardrop rhinestone and thread the wire through 2 of the holes at the back. Make sure the rhinestone is as close to the clear crystal as possible. Then take the wire and pass it through the other holes at the back. Pull them through carefully so you don't get any kinks in the wire. I like to pull some of the wire through, then stop and make sure the wire is straight before continuing to pull it through. Twist the wire a couple of times. Then take the wire to the opposite side and attach another light green rhinestone the same way you did on the other side. I think that's a cute little bow, don't you think so? Now wrap the wire around the headband. Then use the shorter pieces of rhinestone cup chain in between the bow decorations to cover the headband. Wrap the wire between each rhinestone cup, like we did with the first piece of chain. Now make another bow decoration for the headband. I used a darker green color rhinestone on alternating bows when I made my headband. You could use the same color if you wanted. Or if you'd like, you could alternate with crystals that are larger to make every other bow a different size. Then continue adding pieces of chain in between each bow and alternating with different colored bow decorations. Here's how to add more wire when you run out of it. It's really easy and not complicated to do. First, wrap the wire around the headband a couple of times and then cut the excess wire off. Place the new wire on the headband and wrap it around a few times before cutting the short end of it off and pressing the end down with your chain nose pliers. Super simple, and now you can continue with the headband making. You should only have one of the longer pieces of chain left once you get to the end of the headband. Attach that to the headband. And then wrap the remaining wire around it a few times. Then cut the excess off and press the end down with your chain nose pliers. Finally, I'll show you how to secure the decorations into place. Use B7000 glue or some other strong transparent glue and put a small amount of it where the wiring started and ended. Then add some glue to the back of the little bows. I think this headband turned out to be so adorable. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.